April 1973. Tragedy and despair have struck Central Texas. A young college student named Maria Flores has seemingly vanished without a trace. She was last seen near the town of Newt more than 2 weeks ago, but with no physical evidence, the investigation has stalled. With few leads and even less hope, Maria's younger sister Ana Flores and a group of her closest friends set out to find their missing loved one. But any grief or sadness caused by Maria's disappearance would pale in comparison to the agony and despair they would soon discover. What awaited this group of youths was a nightmare beyond belief. The events surrounding Maria's disappearance would be just one of the many bizarre crimes later known as the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
What's up guys, Creepshow here, and welcome to Chainsaw Massacre with me and Venny. We're getting to a game now, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Okay, I'm very good at being quick. Oh, I'm part of the family.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cook up some motherfuckers.
Sissy, Leatherface, and we've got the cook. So, we'll start off in the house. Leatherface will be in the basement.
I like how I was too quiet, but now I'm too loud for my stream. I'm having to adjust it. Same with the game sound, but I can adjust the game sound easily. Because the game sound
to make Grandpa proud.
What the fuck did happen?
I don't know.
I just had a big ass noise, or whatever it was. I'm gonna stab you.
Right.
Oh, so I have to feed Grandpa.
Yeah, to level him up. So we have to find like buckets of blood and then return to Grandpa and feed him.
I'm gonna give you num-nums.
So... Oh god.
As you can tell guys, this is not buckets.
Well, no fucking shit.
That's me.
Let's have some fun.
I look like a fucking weirdo. Can you not run? Could I just walk? I'm just walking.
My character's singing.
Hi, Grandpa. How you doing? What happened to a new what is leveling up Grandpa for? Oh, I have got a bit of lag.
Alright, that's on.
How do I get out?
I love how I started off, and the character I'm playing as is this.
What the heck is everybody doing? You should have found him by now.
Yeah, I'm definitely
lagging. At least I
lagging.
can go through the small gaps.
Why am I not surprised I'm lagging? My Wi-Fi's being a bitch. It's always, when I live stream, it's always, I get lag, it's legit lag or not. I'm collecting blood.
Blood for the blood god! Blood for the blood god!
Oh yeah, I see them.
I'll go this way so I don't activate that sound shit.
Do you know where Grandpa is? Because I actually do need to feed him.
Yes, he's legit outside in the shed.
That's it.
Nom noms.
I was singing and you interrupted me.
Right, I can feed him more.
Take this now.
Yeah, I love how
That's not singing. Grandpa can't sing.
No, my character does. Sissy does.
I don't know what
basically
moves that I have.
insanely sings.
Where'd they go?
Oh, I have like a move where I can basically listen and
That's
hear.
me. Yeah. Oh, Leatherface got a kill. so glad we're on his side. Where's Grampy? Is he in here?
Good to
I think he
search.
was in the shed, didn't you?
Yeah, he's in one of the sheds.
Where's Grandpa?
I can't go through. Hi. Can we not go around? No, we're gonna have to annoy. Oh, blood! I might have to go out through the sound things. How do you do that? How do you get through?
Because I'm skinny enough, bruh. That's a
Fuck
skill
it, I
issue,
don't
my
care
guy.
what he says, I'm going through the sound shit.
Where? I'm trying to find Grandfather.
Oh, for fuck's sake, you're blind, aren't you?
Yes.
Legit in that
That's why I wear
shed over
glasses.
there.
I went past that shed.
Legit in here, you fucking retard.
Oh, shut up. In my way.
Fresh as it gets.
So
Drink
this
up
shed here.
now.
Well, I am feeding him right now.
Oh, I see him.
I'm trying to
It's
listen to
num
see
num
if
din din times Grandpa.
There. It's all right, Grandpa.
Num num to Grandpa.
That's not one of us, unless there's fucking Leatherface in that building.
I saw Leatherface approach, but I. Oh, what's this? Ooh,
This door's
poison.
open.
They can try and escape our house, but
Yo, have we even
Grandpa
killed
don't want
one
you
yet?
to leave. Leatherface did. We haven't yet. Remember, they start off where he does, so he gets the
How are you
advantage to
running?
kill.
There's one! I got out of one! Get him! Stick him!
There's a killer! Well, that's not a killer. Get him! What are you running for? Grandpa don't want you to leave! Grandpa wants
Just
you
want to
stay.
give you something to show up your fucking ass!
Dang it!
See what you made me go and do?
Ah! Get him, cook! Hang on, Grandpa! We'll just entertain the guests.
Hey, Patrick, are you angry too?
Yeah,
What's the matter?
I can't see my forehead.
Come here.
Why am I having a
I just
tension
wanna say
tantrum? Character just had a fucking tension
No, open
tantrum.
the door! There they are.
Ah! Fuck, I found
Come
out a
here, I
hole.
just want to say hi. We could be best friends, I promise. I'll be good. I'm a good friend. Now, don't be shy.
I guess I can't save you after all.
Lord have mercy on your soul, you poor child.
This'll shut you up.
I'm not psychotic.
Grandpa's gonna be so proud that we got something for dinner tonight.
Shut up with that accent. just stop it. Get some help.
No, it's fun, y'all. Trying to be. in
How do I get out of here without making
I
noise?
don't know. You run like you. Just
I need
shat
to
your
get.
pants.
I need to get to. Fingerbomb. Fuck it. I'm
No
joining it.
offense. The way you run is the way you ran.
He does look like he
looks
shits
like you-
himself.
No wonder why I can get. Oh, no wonder why you stink. Get away from me.
I'm
Shut
alright.
yourself, dirty bat. Oh, stay away. You smell.
I'm going to Granddad.
Hold on. I hear Leatherface. What are you doing?
Making it harder
Ooh,
for
what's
them.
this? Collect powder. Powder.
Right, it was this way. Yeah, so now they have to go all the way around.
Oh, I can. Okay, so if I collect powder, I can use this poison thing on survivors. Wait, the chickens. Who made?
Here you go, Grandpa. Here you go.
You feeling, Grandpa?
Is that Leatherface making that noise, or is that Grandpa?
If you hear the groaning sound, that's Grandpa. In a minute, Grandpa! Oh, hang on. I see someone.
That was me. We on about the ones that are under Grandpa? That was me.
I'm too dang old and worn out for this nonsense. Why is this on me to fix? What's coming?
Leatherface is attending to them.
There's a person near me.
Leatherface has got a person as well.
Oh,
Get him, guys!
fuck, he's knocked me on the ground.
You got knocked the fuck out!
I have a person
Get him.
legit near me. I need assistance.
I'm running, dang it!
He's gone into the building that we were in last time.
Sneaky bugger!
Oh, I think he joked me. He closed the door on me. I couldn't see shit.
Where is he?
I don't fucking know. He didn't make any
What about the
noise. He's
front?
got to be somewhere.
Out of the way!
You move.
You got my way!
He must have got in. He hasn't made any noise. It's got to be somewhere around here. Ooh, I didn't know there was a downstairs.
That electric's still on.
That's how he would have got round me. He went downstairs. Ooh, and he's got out the back. He's got out the back.
He's at the back. Check if there's any exits at the back, if you can get him or something. I'm at the. This is the front of it.
Well, front no. He was here, I swear. Unless you fucking opened that door.
Yeah, I opened the door.
I'm having an asthma attack, don't mind me.
Yeah, so that was me.
I'm having an asthma attack. Oh, I think someone's got him.
Leatherface.
Yeah, because I just heard screaming.
Yeah, Leather's over there.
I'm having another asthma attack. See him. He's coming here, he's coming here.
We ain't letting y'all
He's
down.
outside.
Can't you see that?
Yeah, character, talk. I want you to give away where I am.
Where are they?
Yeah, Leatherface is on the guy that I was going for.
Where's Leatherface? I see him. I don't think I got an execution yet.
Smack that Johnny
That's
upside
a
his
chicken.
doggone head. This is all his doing.
Oh god, I can hear what's going on.
Yeah, that's me closing one of their little cubby holes they can hide in.
Alright!
We'll get this sorted out, Grandpa. Don't you worry.
Go see where Leatherface is.
Yeah, I know
I'm
where
gonna
he
give
is. I went
Grandpa his
past him.
nom-noms. Here you go, Grandpa. There you go. Have some yum-yums down here.
He's in there. I'm gonna try and corner him.
Look how happy he sounds.
I see you.
Grandpa's happy. Oh, I see what you guys are.
Okay, he's going that way. So if he comes through here, he won't know. Don't be up against it, or you won't go through.
Whoop.
What? He was there. What?
You sure?
Found him. He's on me.
I wonder what it's like for him to be the only survivor.
It's He's gone under.
inside.
Yeah, he's gone.
Get your ass back here, boy!
Oh shit! I didn't get it. My stamina fucking went.
I haven't caught him yet.
He's on me.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Okay, now you die.
He's now dead. Because I closed the little cubby hole, so I got him.
I didn't catch the line. Woo!
Because I closed that cubby hole, because I've noticed that you can close them.
Let's go!
Hell yeah.
Nice. Happy dance.
Me when I'm drunk. That is loud in my headset.
Let's go! Woo!
Great success.
Stay back, I got a chainsaw! Uh-oh.
Yes! I'm my character. Let's go.
I want to try this guy.
Johnny?
Yeah.
A native of Uvalde
Blah, blah, blah.
was seen near the
Too
town
loud.
of
Blah,
Newton.
blah, 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 blah.
Discovered
There we
abandoned,
go.
with officials reporting
I'm trying to turn down my sound so
fire
I'm not being too loud.
Authorities are hopeful that the
Bruh.
Because the audio sound probably fucking really
See if we
loud.
can, see if we can get lucky with the third one.
If I dead by daylight,
Faces.
it's really gotta be really painful for you to put on the hook.
Yeah, I think someone said, I think, someone in my chat said it's like a spin-off kind of thing.
Yeah.
To Friday the 13th. If you think about it, it actually
It
is.
is.
I'll fix it.
But
Have I
this
got a
time you've
limp?
got 2 added killers.
No, I thought you had a limp.
At least your character doesn't. Oh, I waste.
I don't want to unlock doors, that's the thing. Okay, you're gonna.
Damn, chicken!
I'm out the front.
It's. Ah!
Oh yeah.
Right, I'm gonna stop the car engine
I don't
up,
think
so-
I don't think I want to go there. That's electrified. The fuck it, I'm gonna have to unlock a door.
Yeah, I'm about to electrify the other gate as well.
Yeah. So you electrified the gate. No wonder why I can't get fucking in. You locked basically an hour.
No, not that one, but where I am, I have to electrify the one I'm at.
Can I lock doors again? Oh, I can. Good. Well,
Yeah.
I'm locking the front door again.
Well,
Then.
it's our house.
You know what? I'm gonna be an asshole. Just keep locking doors. When I say I can lock them on the other side, I'm gonna lock them.
Bruh.
I'm an ass. I didn't mean to swing.
Ooh! I got yum yums for
Fuck off, chicken.
Grandpa. All we know, that chicken could be insulting us in chicken language.
What happens if I turn off this generator?
I love how it's nighttime. I can't see a dang thing. I can. I'll close that. No, it's closing on me. If you hear any rattles in the house, that's me.
I found Grandad.
Where is he?
I found
Oh, I
Grandpa.
see him. That's
Fucking
him.
chickens.
I had to use the listen thing.
I hate these chickens.
Chickens say us. Push! But where are you,
It always
Grandpa?
tastes best when it's fresh, don't it?
I'm feeding him
I
now.
just-
It's out. It's legit out the back of the house. Unless there's 2 houses.
Well, a good thing I could slide through stuff.
Oh, hello.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, Grandpa, I'm sorry I left you all those years.
There you go, Grandpa. Have
Yeah,
some
you pick the
yum-yums.
one. You pick the one character I would love to use. Basically. Because I like the characters that are they can run. Oh, hello.
Johnny, get your head straight. Come on now.
Keep
She
on
went.
them.
I can't get down.
Oh, she went down there?
Yeah. She jumped down.
Damn.
I think she came back. Yeah, she came back.
I guess I can't save you after all.
I can't run. I can't run. I'm here, but I can't run. The game's not allowing me to run.
This will help them see that clearly.
Going in this. They're going back round. They're going back round. They're going back round. Look, they're there.
Where you going?
I can't get to you, and for some reason I can't run either. My run button's not working all of a sudden.
Hi.
I can't
What are
run.
you doing?
Nobody escapes me.
Why can't I run?
Time to play.
Oh, you poor little thing. Oh.
Come on. Woo! Stabby.
There's another one round here now.
Nighty night, girly.
I'll find you. Don't you worry about that.
There's another one somewhere.
Woo!
I ain't gonna unlock that gate because
They literally cornered themselves in a bad place.
there was another one, but
Leatherface is still underground. I don't know where you've
yeah,
gone.
so are they. I just went underground because I saw one.
Go after them then. I need to get blood for Grandpa. I don't think I have any.
Oh, sneaky. Clever.
Oh no, I'm good. I've got blood for him.
Gotta go round, so I'm gonna go round.
Yeah, he's leveled up now. Oh, I see someone.
Yeah, I see someone too.
I don't know I'm gonna get to him in time.
I can't get up there.
Yeah, I see someone.
I scared the living shit out of them ones. One of them are running back up. Because I can't do anything, so I have fucking stamina.
Where you going?
The guy that's buff, he's very shit with his stamina.
Oh, I went down the well. There's someone down there, and someone jumped down the well. He's injured, so I managed to slice him. Me and Leatherface didn't get to him in time. But he's hurt. Dang!
He's hurt.
Oh, he's hurt.
Yeah, he's on me. He landed where I am.
Yeah, I see you. I forgot to say Grandpapa.
Swing character!
Swing, bada, swing!
My character wasn't swinging.
Hey, Grandpa. I got some yum-yums.
Oh, my lag's fucking me over.
Good, Grandpa.
There we go, got him.
You got him?
Yeah.
Is he dead?
Yep, he's dead.
Is he dead? Oh, hell yeah! 2 left.
I'm gonna go up to Grandpa. And feed
Yeah,
him.
I just fed him. I think he's feeding one more time and he should level up.
Well, I'm on my way then.
Oh, hi! Thanks, Grandpa!
Yeah, my lag is doing badly on the Xbox.
Yeah,
right now.
I see someone.
Old man.
Nom noms. There we go, he's leveled up again.
Got him! I hit them.
One down.
that you?
He's in the underground. They're in the underground.
We're up here.
You're gonna regret coming down here.
If Grandpa was
Ah,
able,
Grandpa's
this would be
hungry
over.
again. Alright, Grandpa.
Feed him.
There you go. Silly. Have some yum-yums. Wouldn't go that far.
Of course they used that. She's also moved the door. She's coming upstairs to
I
where
need my
Grandpa
ability
is.
to,
She's
like-
coming upstairs to where Grandpa is.
You stay away from Grandpa!
No, I've got her! You can hit them when they're on the ladder. You can get them when they're on the ladder, so I've got her.
Woo! Now the hunt begins.
Huh. Hi.
It's turning time, family.
She would have came out of where I just came out of if I didn't get her.
Oh, look how happy he looks. He loves his yum-yums. Don't you, Grandpa?
Meow,
Bless
meow.
him.
Here we go, we're gonna get a scream.
There they are!
Where? I didn't see them.
Got a distance.
Where'd y'all run off to?
They can't escape because that gate's active. Go round.
I am. I can't go fully round though, because they have a barrier thing blocking it. Only
I've got
you
him! I got him! Come here, girl! Woo! I got him! They were in the bushes. Got him. They were playing peekaboo. I was just swinging my knife, and then there they were. I was like swinging my knife. And they
Killers
just,
on this game, it's really fucking easy. Not gonna lie.
We're just a good team. I think that's why he's staying with us, because we actually did really well as a team.
Yeah, because we're doing call out. We're doing that shit. We're
Let's
treating
go.
it like it's Call of Duty in this bitch.
Oh my god, I'm a level 5. That's beautiful.
Oh my god, my Xbox needs to...
Oh, I feel sorry for Leatherface. Me and you got 2 kills, but the poor guy didn't. Next game, characters. Loading up.
I wanna be there.
Nah, I'm sticking as Sissy. I'm doing really well as Sissy.
Only because I want to try him out.
Uvalde was last seen near the town of Newt. The vehicle was recently discovered
That was a
abandoned, with
possum.
officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search in nearby communities of Harlow and Chinatown will unearth new leads. Family and friends are urging.
I just thought I
The face
I
thing.
have noise suppression on both mics. Why have I not got my fan on? Because apparently noise suppression on fucking OBS doesn't work.
Where am I? Oh, I'm in a building.
He's a lot faster than what he is in fucking Dead by Daylight. Oh, I shouldn't have played as him. I forgot I have lag.
You're gonna have to cope for now, friend. Where's Grandpa? Oh, he's in the house. Oh, I'm gonna go to the house and be good old Grandpa's yum-yums.
Come on, me and destroying something already, so then I don't have to worry about it later.
I'm gonna feed Grandpa quickly, and then I'm gonna do the.
When you know you're learning the character. When you're doing stupid shit.
Don't swing your knife at me. Don't swing your finger at me. You come my way. Wait, where's? Oh, he's right in front of me. I'm just blind. What's there?
Destroying shit. That's what though.
Someone's woke him up. Someone's in the house.
How do I get out of where I am?
Yeah, that's probably why I'm going to avoid being level 50. I used to. I'm terrible. You two are gonna have to bear without me for a minute. I'm gonna turn on the Is it already on? Oh no, I think the cook did it. Never mind. Yeah, it's already done it. I think it's the cook. I see you. Anyone in the house?
Yes.
See if you
Someone's
can lead them out. Because I'm
Someone's
outside the
chasing
house.
after
So
them, but I don't know where.
If
Chainsaw's
they
bloody
jump out,
loud,
then
it's
I'll
hard
get
to
'em.
hear.
if you see anyone, lead them out to the house.
I
and I'll see
think,
if
yeah, but I don't know where anyone is. No point telling me to lead them out the house if I don't know where they are.
Well, I mean, this is a big house. Big fields too.
How do you attack? Oh no.
Oh, hang on, there's a second gate. I think the main exit's already electrified, so I gotta do the back entrance.
Wow, I'm blind. I hear people talking, but I don't know who's who.
Be blind, go to Specsavers. Like me. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Probably a dumb idea having the chainsaw already turned on. So I'm technically giving away where I am.
I think that was the amount of mistakes I'm.
But it's also
Roast
like,
chicken.
it doesn't really matter. Oh, there's a door that's just been made noise of, and it wasn't me, but I'm trying to get to it, but Leatherface's fat ass is so slow it won't get there in time. I would rather play as the other characters, not gonna lie. What? I didn't know you could escape.
How? Oh no, they're all escaping. Oh no.
Not all of them!
So two escape.
I don't care, I'll get one kill, I'll take it. As a Leatherface, I'll take one kill. For my first go. Get out of my way!
Take the front. Wait, how did they escape then? That's gone. Oh, what's this?
You're dead. No, I was about to say. And there must be another gate that's undone. If that one's electrified, then you obviously got a different way
done one
out.
gate. Ow.
Yeah, but they're obviously gonna make it more than one way out. You might as well stay just in case.
Yeah. There must be another exit we didn't know about.
Yeah, and that's how I kept getting stuck in the fucking basement.
Oh, I see. Wait. Grant, no, they're in the house.
You say that.
Nope.
Don't allow them to have a reason to escape.
They just attacked Grandpa. Yeah, the cook's there. Is Grandpa dead?
Yes.
No, Grandpa! So the cook, he's out the front. Oh no, Grandpa's alive. I'm gonna head to the back.
Then feed him.
Yeah, we gotta make up for that one now.
I think they heard me coming and that's why they booked it.
I see you. I don't see them. I'm still puzzling how the others escaped. Man, we need to learn this map.
I know it shouldn't be searching everything because it's a waste of time, but hey, fuck it.
Well, the cook's out the front, I'm at the back.
And I just shocked myself because I didn't know that was a thing. I feel like he's in. I think they're still in the house somewhere.
My god. These dudes were like really sneaky, or we just really didn't pay attention to where they were.
Well, I got stuck in the basement for I don't know how long.
That's what I mean. When you were Leatherface in the last two games, we actually did well. They gotta be in the house or somewhere. They're not in the back. More powder. Where can they be?
Oh, upstairs in the house. And
They
they escaped.
escaped.
How?
I don't know.